Swapnali Lad, a 24-year-old software engineer, is battling for her life in a Thane hospital after she jumped from a moving auto rickshaw to escape an alleged attempt to kidnap her. The police claimed that on Saturday night, the TCS employee was returning home in an auto when locals heard her scream and then jump out of the vehicle. The police suspect she did so after the driver didn't take the normal route to her house. Swapnali injured her head and was rushed to a hospital where she has been operated upon but is still unconscious. The driver meanwhile is on the run but has been booked for kidnapping.
जब ही वो एडमिट किया तभी समझा उसका ब्रेन में बहुत डैमेज हुआ है और वो आज 2 दिन हो गए फिर भी अभी कॉन्शियस में नहीं है। आज उसका दूसरा ऑपरेशन हो रहा है इस वक्त। इसके लिए वो कुछ अपना बयान देने के काबिल नहीं है।
रिक्शा वाला भाग गया है लेकिन उसका जो असली रीज़न है अभी तक मालूम नहीं पड़ा। लड़की की पिता है वो लड़की के पिता ने कंप्लेंट दिए है, उसके तहत हमने भादवी कलम 364(5)(11) के तहत गुना दाखिल किया है और उसका तपास जारी है।
And my colleague Tejas Mehta now joins me on the phone line for more updates on that story. Tejas, any more update on this extremely tragic story? How is this girl doing now?
So what's really happened is completely what the police know as of now is completely based on circumstantial evidence and statements they've got from bystanders, because the girl in question here, the 24-year-old software engineer from Tata Consultancy, she is still unconscious. She's at the Jupiter Hospital here in Thane, where I am just now, and she is, undergoing a second surgery. So she has not been able to give her statement. What really happened inside that auto is not clear to anybody. From what they've heard from, the police has heard from local bystanders, they had been told that they heard her screaming and then she jumped out of the auto. She injured her head and then they rushed her to the hospital. That's all they know. But what really did the auto rickshaw driver do? This is not clear. What the police suspect is, given the fact that he changed the direction of his auto rickshaw, he did not take the normal route. He took a route which was not leading towards the house residence of the girl in question. They suspect this could be a case of kidnap, and therefore that's the prima facie charge they have leveled against the auto rickshaw driver, who at this point is absconding. So a lot of clarity is not there, given the fact that this girl currently, of course, is not conscious, and all efforts are being made because she indeed, Kashish, is battling with her life at this point of time.
All right, Tejas, so details are still remaining very, very sketchy. Perhaps Swapnali, when she does gain consciousness, will bring out more of what actually happened that day.